Alright, so we're installing the rear puck spacer, which is on the bottom side of the control arm. So as of right now, I have the subframe hanging. It's got our spacer in the top. Shocks are mounted. I took the bolt out of the outside of the rear spindle. This comes down far enough. You're able to put our spacer in. Has the factory rubber piece on top of the spacer. There's a bolt going through the middle of it. And we got a washer. Still needs to be painted. And the nut on the bottom. Now I'll use the third leg to lift this up to get back into the spindle. We need to remove this guy, wiring, pull this off, box will come out, pull the positive, negative, and the tie down holding it in, which is right there. And then the battery will come out and we can get to the tranny mount. Okay, got the air box off. We're gonna go for the battery. There's the tie down. We'll remove both the terminals. So we got the bottom of the air box out, the battery off. We're going to remove this bolt, that one, and that'll get us to the top of the transmission motor mount. So we're down to the motor mount. You can see that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and that guy are the ones that we want to get to put the spacer underneath of this. So you need to take out that bolt, this bolt, and this bolt to get the bracket off so we can get to that bolt to get the space underneath. We got the mount out. This is one part of it. It's got the 4 holes in it. It'll go down on top of the factory holes. We use longer bolts to get back through here, and then there's a 1-inch piece of DLM that goes between here and the 5th mount on the motor mount.